In this video, I am going to tell you how you can download the firmware file uh, of the Redmi smartphone. Okay, I would like to download the MiFlash tool first. MiFlash tool you can download easily. Okay, download the firmware Redmi K90 Ultra firmware. Okay, it now available in the China and global. It's not available right now. And EU only you can download the China Fastboot stable. Okay, I already have downloaded the MiFlash tool. You can see. Okay, I will open the MiFlash tool from the starting. Okay, you are seeing my screen. Okay, I would like to open the MiFlash tool again, and you can see I already is downloaded and okay, it's now showing these options. Okay, I will it asking me to install the drivers required driver that really interest required for making your smartphone fully firmware fully flash. So you need to download Android WinUSB, NVIDIA download, and the USB driver, Microsoft driver, and Microsoft driver again, and the Qualcomm driver. Okay, install in the background. Continue. So I would like to follow up the website as well as the website page, and from here I will download the Fastboot Android version 16. Click on the file, and you can see the file can download from here. Okay, it takes some time to download. Okay, I would like to place this file here. Okay, if the file path accurately fine file size is 10 GB, you can see. Okay, so you need to understand something before starting and downloading anything. You should have a MiFlash tool, USB drivers, and everything you have. Now, the guidelines I am going to give you. Okay, you need to understand. Uh, okay, first of all, we already download the file. It's on the downloading mode, and it's okay. Right, the file name. We already have a MiFlash right now. Okay, I would like to select from your file. So right now it's not downloaded fully. So make sure you have unlocked the bootloader and USB debugging properly. I would like to let you that one thing that we will enable the developer option first, then we will go to the enable the user debug and OEM unlock. Okay, right now I have the Vivo smartphone where I will do these things to show you the properly way. Now, why the screen? I am going to the setting icon. Okay, setting icon and about phone. You are seeing about phone. I am using V20 smartphone. Okay, there is the software information in the Vivo. You can go to the HyperOS. Okay, software information. You are seeing the bill number. Okay, in the Samsung Vivo, there is a bill number easily. You can top up to 7 times. You can do the same thing on your MI HyperOS version 7. Okay, I will do this, and now it's asking a password. Okay, I put my password. You are now a developer. I would like to go back. Okay, go to the setting. Okay, additional setting system. You can see the developer option here, and I will like to enable the USB debugging and OEM unlock. You are seeing debug mode when USB is connected. Yeah, my USB is already connected. Data cable. You can say okay. Now OEM unlocking is now asking the password. You are seeing my screen on the as well. It asking my password. I put my password now asking OEM unlock. Really, do you want? Yes, enable. Okay, now I enable both options and download the MiFlash tool. Now I would like to go to the MiFlash tool, and here I will select the file which I downloaded. Okay, the file has not been downloaded fully. You can see. disconnect because my internet speed is very low in the downloading option. That is why I don't download right now. I will just go to the file. Okay, this PC. Okay, F. Okay, Xiaomi. Here I will place my file. Couldn't fetch. Okay, once I put my file, here will be the data starts showing me. Then I will click on the flash button properly, and everything going accordingly to the tutorial. After that, once I come click on the flash button, I need to switch off my smartphone, and I will follow up the power button and volume down hold till for the 5 to 10 seconds. Release button when it show the fast boot option means when blue screen appear on the screen, you need to release your button. You need to release your button, your fingers, and then refresh to scan the device. Okay, here is the refresh button. You can see, and then if a device show is okay, you need to clean the flash button. I hope you understand every steps and you got the file from the accurate way. We'll meet in another video. Thank you for watching my video. If you are facing any problem, any issue, you can directly the comment on my video and ask the questions. I will guide you properly. Thank you very much.